Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Be 15 and a half or older and gather proof of identity, residency, and SSN when possible. Next, complete the DMV form DL44. Remember, a parent or guardian signature is required if you are under 18. Once done, schedule your DMV appointment online or by phone and be ready to pay the permit fee. This triggers the next steps. Bring originals or certified copies. Otherwise, the DMV won't accept them. When you arrive, you will complete a vision screening. If you need glasses, wear them. Then, you'll take the written knowledge test. Use the California Driver Handbook and online practice tests beforehand so you avoid retakes. Once you pass, the clerk will take your photo and fingerprints, and you'll pay the permit fee. Make sure to listen carefully to instructions. If a question confuses you, ask for clarification. Passing the test issues the provisional permit, which allows supervised driving only. With the provisional permit in hand, know the restrictions. You must drive only with an approved adult, and there are night and passenger limits until you qualify for a license. Next, schedule behind-the-wheel practice and keep a detailed log of supervised hours. It's required for your next application. If the DMV denies issuance due to documents or test issues, don't panic, ask for the exact reason, gather the missing paperwork, and rebook quickly so you can complete the process without long delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.